Welcome to the exciting world of ethical hacking. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the essential tools and techniques that make ethical hacking both a challenging and rewarding field. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, there's always something new to learn and explore. Kali Linux is your trusted companion on this journey. This powerful operating system is specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It provides a robust platform for conducting a wide range of security tasks. This specialized operating system is a treasure trove of tools for security professionals and enthusiasts alike. From network analysis to vulnerability assessment, Kali Linux has it all. Its extensive suite of pre-installed tools makes it an indispensable resource for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Kali Linux is designed with security testing in mind. It allows you to simulate cyber attacks in a controlled environment, helping you to identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. It comes preloaded with a vast collection of tools, saving you the hassle of manual installation. This means you can get started right away, without having to spend time setting up your environment. This makes it a one-stop shop for all your ethical hacking needs. Whether you're conducting penetration tests, performing forensic analysis, or simply learning about cybersecurity, Kali Linux has the tools you need. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Kali Linux provides a powerful platform to enhance your cybersecurity skills. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive documentation make it accessible to users of all skill levels. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of vulnerability scanning with Kali Linux. We'll show you how to use some of the most popular tools to identify and address security weaknesses in your systems. Get ready to take your ethical hacking skills to the next level. Imagine a fortress with hidden cracks and weaknesses. That's what vulnerabilities are in software and systems. Vulnerability scanning is like having a detective inspect your fortress for these weaknesses. Vulnerability scanners are automated tools that scan systems and applications for known security flaws. Think of them as digital detectives, tirelessly searching for potential entry points that attackers could exploit. By identifying these vulnerabilities early on, we can take steps to fix them before attackers can take advantage. This proactive approach is essential in today's ever-evolving threat landscape. Kali Linux is equipped with an impressive array of tools for vulnerability scanning. Each tool has its unique strengths and specializes in uncovering specific types of vulnerabilities. Nmap, the network mapper, helps us understand the layout of a network and identify open ports and services. Nikto is a web server specialist, meticulously scanning for misconfigurations and known vulnerabilities. OpenVAS provides a comprehensive vulnerability assessment, while Metasploit allows us to simulate real-world attacks to test our defenses. Together, these tools form a powerful arsenal for ethical hackers. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is our go-to tool for network exploration and reconnaissance. It allows us to create a detailed map of a network, identifying active hosts, open ports, and services running on them. By sending specially crafted packets to target systems and analyzing their responses, Nmap reveals valuable information about the network infrastructure. Think of it as a sophisticated sonar system, pinging devices to determine their presence and characteristics. Nmap's versatility and extensive scripting capabilities make it an indispensable tool for both attackers and defenders. In the hands of ethical hackers, it becomes a powerful tool for identifying potential security weaknesses. Section 5. Nikto Unveiling Web Server Vulnerabilities. Web servers, the backbone of the internet, are often targeted by attackers. These servers host websites, applications, and databases, making them prime targets for cybercriminals looking to exploit vulnerabilities. Ensuring their security is paramount to maintaining the integrity and availability of online services. Nikto is our trusted sidekick in securing these critical components. This open-source web server scanner is designed to detect potential issues before they can be exploited. By running comprehensive scans, Nikto helps identify weaknesses that could be leveraged by malicious actors. It specializes in scanning web servers for known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Nikto's extensive database includes thousands of potential threats, from outdated software versions to insecure file permissions and common security loopholes. Nikto Nicto meticulously examines web server configurations, checking for outdated software versions, insecure file permissions, and common security loopholes. It provides detailed reports that highlight the exact nature of each vulnerability, making it easier for administrators to take corrective action. It's like having an experienced auditor meticulously reviewing every nook and cranny of your web server. This thorough examination ensures that no stone is left unturned, and every potential risk is identified and addressed. By identifying these weaknesses, Nicto helps us proactively secure web servers and prevent potential attacks. This proactive approach is crucial in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, where new threats emerge daily. Its comprehensive checks and regular updates make it an essential tool for web application security. Nicto's continuous updates ensure that it stays ahead of emerging threats, providing a robust defense mechanism for web servers worldwide. In the fight against cyber threats, having a tool like Nicto in your arsenal is indispensable. Section 6. OpenVAS Comprehensive Vulnerability Assessment. For a holistic view of our security posture, we turn to OpenVAS, the open-source vulnerability scanner. OpenVAS stands out in the realm of cybersecurity tools due to its robust capabilities and extensive database. It is designed to perform deep and thorough scans of our network infrastructure, ensuring that no stone is left unturned when it comes to identifying vulnerabilities. OpenVAS provides a comprehensive assessment of systems and applications, identifying a wide range of vulnerabilities. From outdated software versions to misconfigurations and potential backdoors, OpenVAS covers it all. This tool is essential for any organization looking to maintain a high level of security and protect sensitive data from potential breaches. OpenVAS combines a powerful scanning engine with a vast database of known vulnerabilities. This combination allows it to detect even the most obscure and newly discovered vulnerabilities. The scanning engine is continuously updated to ensure it can handle the latest threats, making it a reliable tool for ongoing security management. It meticulously probes systems and applications, comparing their configurations and software versions against this database to identify potential weaknesses. This level of detail is crucial for understanding the specific risks associated with each vulnerability, enabling targeted and effective remediation efforts. Its detailed reports provide valuable insights into our security posture, allowing us to prioritize remediation efforts based on the severity and potential impact of vulnerabilities. These reports are not just lists of issues. They offer context and guidance on how to address each vulnerability, making the remediation process more efficient and effective. OpenVAS is an indispensable tool for maintaining a strong security baseline. By regularly using OpenVAS, organizations can stay ahead of potential threats, ensuring that their systems are secure and their data is protected. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, tools like OpenVAS are essential for proactive defense and continuous improvement of security measures. Section 7. Metasploit Simulating Real-World Attacks. Metasploit is the ethical hacker's playground. It's a powerful framework for penetration testing that allows us to simulate real-world attacks in a controlled environment. With Metasploit, we can exploit known vulnerabilities, gain access to systems, and test the effectiveness of our security controls. It's like having a virtual shooting range where we can practice our offensive security skills without causing any real damage. By understanding how attackers operate, we can better defend our systems. Metasploit provides a safe and legal environment to experiment, learn, and enhance our incident response capabilities. Section 8. Staying ahead continuous learning in cybersecurity. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day, and attackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. To stay ahead of the curve, continuous learning is essential. Attending conferences, participating in online forums, and pursuing certifications are great ways to expand your knowledge and skills. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Set up a home lab, experiment with different tools and techniques, and challenge yourself to stay up to date with the latest threats and trends. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the ethical hacking journey. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the exciting world of ethical hacking. With Kali Linux as your guide and a thirst for knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming a cybersecurity champion. Embrace the challenges ahead. Never stop learning. And remember that your skills are crucial in making the digital world a safer place. Happy hacking!